Yeah, yesterday morning too. It's very similar today, but this afternoon is going to be warmer. Yesterday only in the 60s, today 70s, over the weekend in the 80s. Because of the climate and temperatures and because the wind is back, we do have a red flag warning that goes in effect today at 11 until 6 this evening. And this is for Wise, Parker County towards the west. Wind gusts west of DFW could get up to 40 miles per hour. But for right now, the winds are not that bad. We are looking at temperatures in the upper 40s right now, about 48 in Dallas, 46 in Fort Worth, 39 in Denton, 42 in McKinney. But even with that wind in place, we are dealing with a wind chill at DFW specifically, 47 degrees, but it feels like 43 winds out of the south at about 5 to 10. And here's how today plays out. We'll see temperatures in the mid 40s for the first few hours of the morning. We make it to about 66 degrees around 1. Because of the strong south wind gusting close to 30 miles per hour, those temperatures climb quick. 78 degrees the high today. Like I said, 80s over the weekend with a small potential for storms on Sunday. I'll time that out for you in just a bit.